we're going to install micro airs so that we can lay in the bed and turn the heat on or the air conditioner on. These connect up to the internet. They'll tie back into your cell phone so you can adjust the temperature from anywhere, which to me means we can potentially get rid of waggle.
And that's just a bonus.
That's what we're going to do today. I don't know what's in here because I hadn't opened it up. I'm assuming those are the instructions.
And this is going to be an easy little 15-minute job, right?
Yeah, just like the valances.
Yeah.
Hopefully I won't catch the RV on fire.
And the faucet. And all the other projects that we've done lately.
I think this is pretty straightforward. 3 wires. All right, let's see what we got behind this plate. All right. For those of you that don't know this, that just pulls off. I mean, it's real easy. And it looks like my connectors are right there. All right, so what we're going to do, I'm going to come down here. I'm going to go to AC number 1, which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we're just turning both the ACs off.
Don't even pretend like you're getting electrocuted either, because that's not funny.
Huh?
I said, don't even pretend like you're getting electrocuted either.
Would I do that?
Yes, you absolutely would.
Alright, so if you notice in here, you've got ground on top, 12 volt on the bottom, and your common in the middle. Now, what I like to do, I like to take a picture of it. That way I know how it goes back if I mess it up. Alright, so that's just going to fit.
Yep.
Now this, those are just push buttons that open that hole right there for those to slide into. So alright, so now, alright, so my red is my 12 volt. That's a horrible picture.
Mm-hmm.
Green. Alright, so red. And she's on. A little bit higher than I had wanted, or lower, but
hey, it's even-ish at the bottom. It's even-ish at the bottom. It's fine. It's fine. I think it's level. I think this is just slightly higher than that, so it's fine.
Just gotta make sure the air conditioning kicks on.
Is the switch back on? Is the breaker thing back on?
No.
There it goes. It's on.
Cool.
Cool.
Alright, so
We're gonna play with that later.
faceplate says 72, refrigerator says 71.
0.8.
Huh?
0.8. Pretty close. Alright. We're gonna set this up and come back to you.
So on the app, which we'll have to do a voiceover on it, but what I did was I downloaded the MicroAir app and connected to it via Bluetooth, used the app to then tell this what the wireless network and password are. So now when I go to settings, go over one, go to Wi-Fi info, we're now connected. So I should be able to use the app when we're away from here, connect via Wi-Fi to this unit and control the thermostat.
And see what the temperature is in here?
And see what the temperature is. So what we can do, let me put my shoes on, we'll walk over to the truck and we'll see if we can get into it from my phone.
Okay.
All right, so we're probably what, 100 yards from the RV. I'm gonna open up the app.
It's way over there. You can't really see it.
Connect via Wi-Fi. Connect to the living room. Look at there.
Are you connected to? Are you connected to Dishy right now, or?
Well, I'll turn the Wi-Fi off.
Okay.
And we'll restart it. Open up the MicroAir, connect via Wi-Fi, living room. Boom. And turn it on again. Wi-Fi, living room. Boom. So what I'm going to do just to prove it is I'm going to change that and I'm going to set it to 75, so it should be on 75 when we get in there. let you go in first. Back up.
Hi, baby. Hi.
And just touch the panel.
I can see it.
Is it on 75?
Yeah.
Look at there.
Wow.
So now,
Impressive.
like you were saying, the waggle gives us notification as to what the temperature is. Now we can remote in and change the temperature, which, let's be honest, if we leave Stella here, we set it on 65 and let it run crazy. So I can't imagine we would not already have it set low enough for her, but it just proves that this thing is really cool. Not to mention, if you can set schedules and other things, we'll do some follow-up videos. You know, I'm sure there's a way to program it that if it gets to a certain temperature, it kicks the heat on or something like that.
Yeah.
But
we have to go out of town this weekend, so we can set it, turn it off and turn it on when we're about to come back.
That's a good idea. We can set it to like 75 while we're gone, and then before we get back, set it to 68. So I like it so far. Again, that's based off of 20 minutes of having it.
And it did only take about...
Yeah, the installation was really easy. It was 2 screws and 3 wires.
Yeah.
It's a standard...
The quickest install of anything we've ever done.
Standard Dometic. Yeah, so far this is the only thing that has gone according to plan. So that y'all see this. If you've got the Dometic that looks just like this only works with this thermostat. So it's the ASY-351-X01, and I think that X01 is black and the X02 is white. So what you're looking for is the 351 there. We ordered these straight from Micro Air. They have it's either a 10 or 15% discount if you order before December 18th. But we ordered them. They showed up 4 days later. We're going to put one in the bedroom. Of course, we've got one here in the living room. And I'm excited about these. I'm going to go put the other one in.
Cool deal.